Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
Start by opening your project and verifying HTML5 doc type, linked CSS, and a JS file. You need them wired. You create a nav element, add a container div, then insert a UL with li and a elements for each link. Once done, give your logo an anchor and area labels for accessibility. This helps screen readers and improves semantics. Make sure ID or classes are set now, so your CSS and JavaScript can target the elements reliably. Now style the nav. Apply display, flex, or grid to the container. Align and space items so links are evenly distributed. Once styled, add a hamburger button that toggles visibility at your mobile breakpoint with a media query. You then write JavaScript that toggles an open class on the nav, updates area expanded, and moves focus into the menu when opened. Make sure to debounce resize events and preserve keyboard navigation so users can tab through links smoothly. Finish by testing. Click each link, use keyboard navigation, and confirm area attributes and contrast meet accessibility needs. Then validate link targets and base path so URLs resolve correctly. Relative paths often break in nested folders. If something fails, open DevTools and check computed styles and the console for JavaScript errors. These reveal missing classes or runtime exceptions. Once resolved, compress assets and retest performance. You're done, and the nav should behave consistently across devices.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.